Welcome to 38 Coxhead Lane, a beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom freehold townhome located in the family-friendly Marquis Towns community of central Ajax's Applecroft neighbourhood. East-facing double entry doors open into a very spacious ceramic-tiled foyer with a modern chandelier and a double coat closet. This level also having 9-foot ceilings, with the ceramic flooring continued through the hallway to the family room. Warmed by the natural lighting of its west-facing exposure, this lovely gathering space features broadloom for added coziness and has a walkout to the backyard. All the windows along the west wall have light-diffusing zebra blinds, while a short hall off the family room has a second coat closet, as well as access to the home's single-car garage. And this home also features an unfinished lower level, which has great potential for future recreational and entertaining space. The staircases to the second and third levels are both carpeted and have hardwood railings, with the second level showcasing the principal rooms, which have a great open concept layout with 9-foot ceilings and are flooded with natural light through large windows with east and west facing exposures. Upgraded dark hardwood flooring complements the aura of elegance felt in the combined living and dining rooms. Their west-facing windows, like all the remaining windows in this home, have light-diffusing zebra blinds, and above the dining area are beautiful contemporary glass pendant lights with a faux wood grain finish. Off the landing and side hall between these entertaining spaces and the kitchen is a powder room with upgraded tiled flooring, as well as a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer. And upgraded tiled flooring also finishes the kitchen and its breakfast area. East-facing, bright, and incredibly open, the kitchen has a highly functional design that showcases the crispness of white cabinetry with upgraded knobs and impressive storage, stone counters, as well as a stainless steel double sink and appliances including an oven with gas cooktop, fridge, and a built-in dishwasher. And off the breakfast area is a sliding door walkout onto a charming balcony that is a great outdoor space to enjoy your morning coffee. The third level is carpeted for coziness throughout and features 3 naturally bright bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a linen closet. The main 4-piece washroom has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, with the linen closet just across the hall. And the spacious east-facing second and third bedrooms both feature double-sized closets with single doors, while the second bedroom additionally features a wall-to-wall seat with its window. The graciously sized west-facing master bedroom showcases a walk-in closet, a French door opening to a Juliet balcony, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, a soaker tub, and a separate walk-in shower area. This 3-year-old home features a brick exterior with a lower stone front facade, a covered front entrance with the single-car garage's door also covered, includes a ring security system, and is steps to the neighbourhood parquet. Just a short walk to Applecroft Public and St. Jude Catholic Elementary Schools, grocery stores, and public transit, this home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centres, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario, is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.